So hello everyone, I'm Crypto Noobs. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with VeChain. We're also going to be taking a look at a few big articles as well as price analysis. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. It would really mean a lot to me if we get this video over 200 likes. The amount of support you guys have been showing me has been absolutely incredible. So let's see if we can keep that up. I also want to know down below, what part of the world are you watching this video? With that, let's jump straight into it. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Overall, the market is looking incredibly strong at the moment, considering it is uncertain times. Bitcoin up to an incredible $15,460. We have not seen these prices of Bitcoin since 2018 when it was on its way down. Ethereum to $415, XRP at 24 cents. Chainlink at $10.95, Polkadot at $4.22, and Cardano at 9.6 cents. But in today's video we are going to be talking about VeChain, so let's start off with its graph. VeChain is currently just under 1 cent at 9.7. It is down 3% over the last 7 days and it is down 2.8% over the last 30 days. It is ranked number 31 on the leaderboards, and if I show you its chart on the 24 hour, as you can see here, VeChain was in a downward direction. Quite a lot of the market was in that downward direction. It bottomed at 9.1 and as you can see it has ended up going up quite a lot since then. As you can see here on the 7-day, building up to the election, the market was heading in a downward trend. VeChain followed, and as you can see here, it does look like we are starting to wake up again because the market is looking incredibly strong considering uncertain times at the moment. And if I show you its chart on the 12-month, as you can see here, VeChain is still looking pretty good overall. Now, the first article I want to show you today to do with VeChain is a big deal in my opinion. And this article says, VeChain protects participants of the world's largest trade conference against the virus. VeChain will implement security measures against the virus together with DMVGL at the world's largest trade conference in China. MyCare developed by both companies will be used for this purpose. Despite the worldwide raging virus, this year's China International Import Expo will take place in Shanghai, China from November 5th till November 10th. China was the first country in the world to take strict measures to prevent the effects and spread of the virus. To ensure the safety and sufficient infection control at the conference, technology from VeChain will be used. Expo in China uses MyCare from VeChain and DMVGL. VeChain announced through its blog that the only luxury hotel located directly in the heart of the National Exhibition and Convention Center will use the MyCare solution presented by VeChain and DMVGL. Already in May this year, both partners developed the MyCare solution based on the VeChain blockchain to significantly improve infection risk management. MyCare supports companies in the assessment, management and containment of infection risks and is designed to increase the confidence against the fight in the virus. MyCare is already being used by high-profile players in the hotel industry, including some of the biggest names in the world. MyCare uses the VeChain toolchain to provide the best possible security and transparency for all players involved. Powered by the VeChain toolchain, MyCare enables these hotels to present immutable and trustworthy information stored on the VeChain 4 blockchain, including the verified infection risk management readiness report issued by DMVGL. And it says here that one of the general managers of the hotel explained that the use of MyCare gives hotel guests additional confidence and proves without manipulation that the hotel establishment has taken important measures in the fight against the virus. And it also says the use of MyCare has had a positive impact on the number of bookings and has significantly improved the security feeling of hotel guests. VeChain CEO Sunny Liu stated that both MyCare and the use of VeChain toolchain paved the way for mass adoption of this new technology. He said, "We are happy that our technology is able to assist the fight against the virus to reassure hotel guests of their safety. With VeChain toolchain, we have great confidence to prove standardized and trustworthy blockchain toolkits for enterprise users to reach their own business goals." MyCare is also being used by other heavyweights in the industry such as Carrefour, ArcelorMittal, or the third largest pasta producer in the world, Dseco. VeChain supports the fight against tumor diseases. Also reported last week, the Shanghai-based Renji Tumor Center is also using DMVGL's intelligent verification methods and the VeChain 4 blockchain to promote the establishment of a standardized national health information system. So overall, VeChain are making some very big moves in China at the moment. They have been making some incredibly big moves over the past few months, but in this next article I'm going to be showing you they are now making some big moves in America as well. And this article says, VeChain based solution will verify products in a $124 billion industry. Health Evolution's partnership with VeChain will allow users to track and verify products in the supplement supply chain. VeChain based solution will protect consumers from purchasing deceptive products by verifying the source of their ingredients. The US based company Health Evolution has announced a cooperation with the startup Real Items and VeChain. The partnership is part of an effort to verify the reliability of $124 billion in the supplement industry, according to a press release. Health Evolution wants to increase transparency and protect the consumer by creating a solution based on blockchain technology. In this way, companies fight against a poor and physical mental condition with products of higher verifiable quality. So far, $368,000 in clinically proven ingredients has been verified with the VeChain 4 blockchain. Co-founder and research coordinator at Health Evolution said, "Supplement fraud is widespread. Now we are at the forefront of providing consumer protection in the $124 billion supplement industry." And it says down here, VeChain empowers and protects consumers. The partners have revealed that with the verification made possible by Real Times and VeChain's non-fungible tokens, consumers can verify the origin, authenticity, quality and even quantity of the effectiveness of the supplements they will purchase. In addition, they will be able to do so with each product unit individually. The VeChain Foundation non-fungible token, standard in conjunction with the Real Items, proves that consumer items are a real thing. Through the use case of smart contracts, this makes it impossible for an item to be fraudulent. According to the statement, about 170 million people in the United States take dietary supplements. This constitutes to 71% of the adults in the country. Therefore, the supplement industry and its estimated $124 billion is a constant target for counterfeit products, scams, and other attacks on consumers. In addition, the industry lacks efficient regulations. Dr. Jill Carahan, an expert in functional medicine, stated, "This is an industry that has almost no regulation. This means we are guinea pigs unless we choose to take matters into our own hands. As a doctor, what comes to mind when I hear all of this is growing issue of fake supplements." The research coordinator for Health Evolution added that the company is excited to be able to innovate the industry and bring real products to consumers. Carahan further explained, "Now, finally, consumers can have blockchain level security and a peace of mind, knowing each bottle has cast iron independent, irrefutable proof of contents." So overall, this is really big news for VeChain. They are getting their foot in the door and they are proving exactly to people what they can do. More and more companies are starting to look at VeChain, and the fact that more of the biggest companies are using VeChain is a case of how many more companies will follow. I think in the next few years, as health and infection does become more of a risk to people, I generally think if VeChain can do exactly what they're doing and continue at accelerating rate, they will do extremely well in my opinion over the next few years. We're now going to take a look at a quick little price analysis to do with VeChain, and this one says VeChain technical indexes present multiple signals ahead of an impending spike. A sharp rise in the demand of VET may kickstart a rally to the 100-day SMA. VeChain price has consistently dropped from its yearly high at 0.023 cents reached in July. The hunt for the bottom appears to be approaching to an end, especially now that multiple technical indexes hint at a recovery. VeChain is ranked 30th in the market and boasts of a market cap of $614 million. Its 24-hour trading volume stands at $178 million. VeChain rebound seems imminent. The TD indicator recently presented a buy signal on the daily chart which gives credence to the bullish outlook. The bullish picture formed as a red 9 candlestick, suggesting that the upward swing in demand for this token may accumulate in prices rising for approximately 1 to 4 daily candlesticks. Is it worth noting that VET might begin an uptrend afresh if the expected buying pressure becomes strong enough? And as you can see here, when VET did hit that 9.1 mark, a lot of people did buy, as you can see there. Simultaneously, the bullish argument seems to hold as VeChain fights for a rebound at the lower boundary of a descending parallel channel that developed with the same time frame. A break above this channel's upper limit may elevate VET to highs of 0.014 cents, as highlighted by the 100 simple moving average. And if I bring you an update to do with VeChain's price, since we're editing the video, it has gone up even higher. As you can see here, VeChain is now at 1 cent. So as you can see on the 24-hour, VeChain bottomed at 9.1 and it is now back up to 1 cent, which is absolutely incredible. I am personally very bullish on VeChain and I think it has a very bright future. The things they are doing for the world is very, very beneficial. It's just a case of, will the adoption happen? I think time will tell. As I always say, patience is what will make you a winner in this space. I want to know down below, are you bullish or bearish on VeChain's future? Let me know down below. Before we finish today's video, we are going to take a look at VeChain's vision. If you guys do want to take a look at their white paper in more detail, I will leave it in the description down below. And this one says, VeChain believes that blockchain technology is one of the foundations for the next generation of information technology, alongside emerging technologies such as AR, VR, AI, IoT, 5G and more. With the technology's immutable and tamper-proof characteristics, blockchain as an infrastructural technology is uniquely positioned to enable unprecedented value and data transfer among a wide set of users in a trustless manner, boosting the efficiency and authenticity of information transferred itself. VeChain's vision of lowering the barrier enabling established businesses with blockchain technology to create value and solve real-world economic problems has been clear to us from the very beginning. To achieve and fully harness this technology that will enable mass public adoption, we have identified the 3 major phases of blockchain involvement. These phases will be in the foundation and strategy to enable VeChain 4 blockchain to be adopted as the world's premier choice blockchain. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more, as it does really help my channel grow. Let's see if we can smash that like target. It would be absolutely incredible. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and opinions down below. I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.